This is a good time to get cozy, isn't it? Lifestyle expert Afiya Francisco joins us with some items to keep you warm and snug inside out. Good morning. How are you, Afiya?
I'm great, thanks, Leslie. How are you?
Oh, doing well, thank you. You have a nice setup there. I don't know about males as much as females, but I know we all love this time of year, right? Because we love the oversized sweaters and the leggings and fall boots and candles and blankets. So you're going to help us out with that this morning, aren't you?
Spoken like a true fashionista, Leslie. You know what? I have the makings here of a perfect fall day. Everything you need to get you through the day from outside to in, as you said. So of course I'm going to start off with clothes. I want to talk right away about this look here. This is from Marks, and really they have rebranded as All Things Simple. So they want to talk about the core of your wardrobe, those pieces that are going to see you through day in, day out. I'm so proud to have worked with them to have edited a capsule collection, which they're calling the Simple Wardrobe, because really getting dressed should be fun. That should not be a source of stress. So everything that you need to get you out the door fashionably, but without much thought, is the way to do it. And that's this look here at Marks.
Wow, that's amazing. I'm glad you brought that up, that it's Marks, because a lot of people aren't sure where the rebranding went, and that's great to see that. That's beautiful.
Isn't that cool? So I'm telling you, the best denim, great jackets, beautiful quintessential fall sweaters like this that we're seeing here. So everything you can see here, you're going to see a head to toe look. So really, it is not what you think of when you think of Marks. They are all things simple, and it's this beautiful, simple wardrobe.
Very nice.
Now,
Love it.
Yeah, on the other end of that, when you do have a core foundation, it allows you to see where the holes are per season. So if you want to inject, really hot material or color, this is the time to be able to do it. So this second look, this one is at HBC. They've partnered with Canadian designer platform called Inland. Inland is actually started by a Hamilton-based woman, and she has partnered with 44 Canadian emerging brands, 40% of whom identify as BIPOC. So it's a really cool initiative. HBC has given them a great platform at hbc.com. So like this vegan leather trench, this is Hillary McMillan. She's size inclusive, so that goes from extra small up to 4X. And then this fantastic waist bag that we're seeing here. This is IE Toronto Soul, one of my favorite Canadian brands. They have some great accessories. And for something like this, when you're walking about, you want to be hands-free, you have your mask, you have maybe a little wallet, this is the way to do it.
Oh, I love that idea. That's great.
Yeah. Continuing on our walk, I want to talk about these boots. These are Olang. Fantastic. Okay, so Leslie, on Thanksgiving, for the first time ever, we did an outdoor brunch. Of course, we're all outside now. That's where we want to be. But by the time we had been sitting for an hour or so, our little toes were getting cold. I should have been wearing the boots because we want to be outside. We don't want the season to affect our mobility. We want to still be out there. Olang is great for that. They will see you through till -30, super lightweight and breathable. So you can wear them now and know you can continue to wear them as it gets colder and colder.
Cool, and they're nice looking boots too. Good.
Aren't they? Aren't they so nice? So we've gone from our beautiful fall walk, crunchy leaves underfoot. Now we're back home. We might want to cook ourselves a little something. This is a fantastic and very different new cookbook. This is called United We Eat. This was created by Capri Cafaro. She is, you can see these pictures. She has gone across the aisle. So it's bipartisan, and they've gone for politicians to submit their favorite recipes. So it's a really interesting way to maybe talk about a very polarizing subject right now. We know it's very, as I said, polarizing, but when you're talking about food and eating, it kind of is a nice way to engage in those conversations. And this is a really cool cookbook. As you saw the pictures there, there's some really cool, comforting, cozy recipe ideas.
Love that idea. Okay, 30 seconds left. I know I've seen this Bloom advertised, but I haven't tried it.
Okay, so we have to talk about Kalex Wellness. They are the first CBD retailer in Canada, so they know what they're talking about. They have created these bath blooms, which they've infused with essential oils, so you can go with calming with lavender, you can uplift, you can also soothe. So have a bath after that beautiful day outside, you've gotten cozy inside, now you're gonna have a great bath, just relax, and then finish up with Neostrata face cream because the weather is changing. They are the founders of PHA, so no matter how sensitive your skin is, you can use this. It's a topical and exfoliant, so it's not abrasive. It just will soothe and calm, hydrate that skin, no matter how sensitive it is. Even if you have rosacea, you can still use this. I've been using it for the last couple of weeks, and I love it.
Wonderful. Well, thank you for coming on the show. So much to show, and lots of really great ideas to be cozy this time of year. Afiya Francisco, thank you so much again. We have more Morning Live right after this. Please stay with us.